The Korniche bifolding door can be installed in minutes and glazed in seconds. Korniche bifolding doors are delivered to site quality checked and pre-assembled with parts and full installation guide. Before offering the door to the opening, check overall dimensions and levels of the opening. Bead positions are clearly labelled to ensure the correct order when glazing. Remove the patented clip-in speed beads and dispose of the polystyrene spacers. Install the Korniche traffic handle. Ensure the door frame is plumb and level in both vertical and horizontal alignments. It's now time to install and fix the door frame into position. Fixing and packing the outer frame. Start at 150 mm from the corners and then every 400 mm. Drill and screw in place with packers to ensure levels are maintained. Check vertical, horizontal and diagonals are correct before fully fixing into position. Ensure sill and top frame screws are sub-flush to ensure they do not clash with the floating roller hardware. Replace the door jamb back in position once the outer frame is fully fixed. Place glazing packers into position, ready for glass toe and healing. Use packers to ensure the glass is correctly aligned in each sash. Once the glazing is positioned, secure with the innovative Korniche speed bead clip-in bead that takes just seconds to position. Ensure top and bottom beads are installed before the vertical beads. If additional packing or repositioning is required, use the Korniche deglazing tool to quickly and easily remove beads without damage to the frame, and bead and replace the bead back in position. Once the door is fully glazed, check the door functionality. Make any final adjustments so all sashes are in line and gasket gaps are equal to 11 mm before installing final hinge screws. Position the magnet to ensure a 10 mm gap between traffic handle and door frame. The Korniche bifolding door design allow trickle vents to be fitted to the outer frame with no need for a costly add-on and further improving installation times. The Korniche bifolding door delivers on both looks and aesthetics, along with speed and ease of installation.